Saint Francis preaching to the birds is almost ready. He is shown with the tree, the wind chime tree. There's probably about way over 200 leaves, and several of them are actually leaves that will make sound. That they are in these clusters of that became wind chimes. And of course, the birds will. They're not attached yet, but they will be just flying. As they fly, they'll have little hammers and make the sound. So the saint himself, he in the final setup, he'll stand about 3 inches, 4 inches lower in relation to that tree, because right now, just the way I set it up, the tree sunk into the ground a bit and shows him almost too tall, but that's just momentary inconvenience. And tomorrow we'll be cutting the tree up and packing, and of course soon the saint will follow. Of course he still needs some finishing, and can't wait to see it installed in Oceanside at the mission.